Okay guys, so this video is about using the proton pistol. I'm using a pistol for most of the time this time. This one right here. And even though it says common, it's actually really good. So yeah, I'm gonna use it during the map D-Day, because D-Day is my favorite map. I love it. And then we're gonna, of course, use it during it. Ooh, a diamond, sweet. And bust out the old semi-auto rifle. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. My team sucks once again. And let's see, we have here. I need to go find some health and armor. Damn, I suck at aiming. Oh, she got the psycho. Yeah, we lost. But as you can see, the proton pistol is actually pretty good. As long as your team is pretty good. Let's see, where is he? Is he near the game? No, it's just... Okay, we're gonna go look for him and then I'm gonna go kill him with a pistol. Okay. Lagging a little bit there. There we go. Okay, so it's that guy. He killed twice. Come on, guys. screw this. This guy's trying to get me, so I'll just get him. I'm gonna lose this one too, which would be bad for my record. So I can just go for smoking. Yeah, I'll just leave the proton pistol too. Kill right there. Oh my god, sheesh. Yeah, these are hero rifles. Okay. I have no idea what that is. Cooking dino. Okay. I got safer. Yeah, again, like, yeah, it's good, but I don't really recommend using it a lot of times. But I'm gonna play one more game without using it. I'll show you. It's just used, of course, it's just used for a backup weapon, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And I still don't know what that is. Looks like I don't know. Oh, okay, found it. I'm a teamer. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, you can't shoot through there again. I have to just charge there. Guys are hunting the wrong person. I hope you like some explosives. Exactly. Yeah, it seems to have. Yeah. I actually like the armor on better than this weapon, but like it's pretty good. It's pretty good. There's a dual UV. But somebody has a. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh god. Some armor. Let's see. Oh, that does a lot of damage. Let me find some. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try to use a proton. I'm gonna try using the proton pistol. See, it's pretty good. There you go. What was I seeing? Good thing you have explosives. Oh, the head hunter, the old health hunter, just getting it. I'm gonna go for some armor. That was an idiot. Oh no, he's there. You should go from the respawn. Oh well. Well, that ends today's video because, yeah. Bye guys.